Hello, it's Kimberly again. I don't know if you guys can see me. Okay. So I am sitting at Panera Bread on outside in Philadelphia. I had a job interview. Yeah, I definitely did not get that job because I did not, I'm gonna be honest, I did not read that job description. I just saw like cafe and I'm like, oh, cafe, barista. I was a barista before I could do this, and I applied. So yeah, but like it's a restaurant, so there's cooking involved, there's this involved, and all that. So it's more than just coffee. So I definitely did not read that job description, and the owner he like noticed. But that's alright. It's okay because I have another Zoom call. I have a Zoom call tomorrow, Wednesday, for another job. I'm still keeping my first job. So, I am gonna be working 2 jobs. I know I can do this though. I mean, I had 3 jobs while I was in college full time before. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. But yeah, I'm in Philly. And it's not terrible. I mean, it definitely made me like miss, back home a bit. But yeah, I mean, I'm not really in, Philly though. Like, I still want to see other things in Philly. And yeah, and I got a cereal and milk latte, and I am actually like lactose. And yeah, I mean, I don't know, I love this latte, like cereal and milk. I love this latte, but like I don't know, like I mean, I love things that make me shit. According to Carlos, I do. And yeah, so right now I'm waiting for 5:30 to go to a meeting. And after that I'm gonna go back home. It's not that far. It's like what, 30 minutes, 40 minutes really to go home from here. Like, I'm really close to like, Philadelphia. Yeah, so it's really not far at all. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. But yeah, I wanted to make a video because, change of scenery, change of, things, not the same old, like, boring background and all that. But same old, me just talking, rambling on. But yeah, definitely, if you guys have any, like, job ideas or if you know anything that's hiring in the, like, Philadelphia area or something like that, I'm experienced a lot in, like, the medical field and, like, administrative work. and I have bachelor's degree in public health as well. So yeah, that would be very helpful. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Have a good rest of your day, y'all. Bye.